y'all, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you for hanging out with me for a few minutes. I do appreciate it. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button and joining our YouTube family. We do have our 1,500 subscriber giveaway going on, so that link will be down below. So you do want to make sure you enter and hit that notification bell as well once you have subscribed, because I will be doing live giveaways coming up, so you don't want to miss that. And as always, if you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. As you can see, this is the February 2019 Scentbird. I love this subscription. I think it is absolutely amazing. It is $14.95 a month, and you receive a 30-day supply, is what they say, of a designer fragrance. It lasts much longer than 30 days. And it gives you the ability to try so many different perfumes without breaking the bank. Like I said, it is $14.95 a month, so I absolutely think it is worth it, and I love going in and you can pick the perfumes that you want to receive, and you can put them in your queue so you kind of know each month what you're going to get. I put stuff in my queue months ago and I honestly don't remember, but there's always a card inside that will remind you. And what is awesome is if you are not familiar with what a scent smells like or what a perfume smells like, it will describe the scent notes of the perfume on the site. So if you know you kind of like vanilla or you kind of like floral, it'll tell you the notes so you kind of know what to expect. So let's get in here. I don't remember which one this is going to be. So let's just dive in. And this is okay, I'm confused. I either remember just putting this in my queue, or for some reason they sent me the January one again, because it's the Estee Lauder Sensuous Nude, which I thought this came a little bit early, so I'm not really sure, because usually the Scentbird does not come until later in the month. Yeah, now I'm confused. Let me just go ahead and open it and smell, because I'm pretty sure that this is what I got in January, and for some reason I think they may have sent it to me twice. So I'll have to check into that. But here it will always show you a picture of the actual like full-size bottle, and then again on the back it will remind you of the notes of the perfume like on the website. And it says that this one is 15 separate notes that come together in this baby soft skin scent to create a pampered, serene, and sensually devastating portrait of ghostly bay roses, honey, ancient sandalwood, and shimmering musks. So let's open it up. It always comes in a tube like this that does say Scentbird on it. And then this is what you actually receive. When you first sign up, you receive like a little twisty thing that you will put each one in every month. And then every 7th month, I believe, you receive a new little twisty guy. So okay, yeah, it smells so good. Oh, like it smells fantastic. But this is what I got in January. So I'm not sure if this was sent to me twice for some reason. Oh, it smells so good. I'll have to like log into my account and check it out. But yeah, so for some reason I got a duplicate. And like I said, I was wondering because it kind of came early, because usually it comes towards the end of the month. So I'll have to look into that. So Anyway, this is the Estee Lauder Sensuous Nude. It does smell fantastic. And I mean, I'm not going to knock having a second one because, like I said, I think it smells amazing. So I'm happy with that. Like I said, I'm just going to check out my account and see what's going on. So I will have a link down below if you would like to sign up for Scentbird. If you use the link, it will actually get you a free month. So you will pay the $14.95 for your first month, and then your second month will be free. So that's awesome. You get 2 months for $15. So that will be below, as well as the link to enter the 1,500 subscriber giveaway. And make sure you give the video a big, I'm sorry, my mind is like scatterbrained now because I'm like, why did I receive this again? So make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. And as always, please leave a comment and make sure to enter the 1,500 subscriber giveaway. So I will talk with you guys with the next video. Have a fabulous day. Bye.